Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you confused about how to change your phone number on WhatsApp? Well, if you are, then this video is for you, my friend. Before we start our video, do hit the like and subscribe button so that you'll be notified with our latest videos. Now, without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our WhatsApp. Here, as you can see, right after opening our WhatsApp, we'll be welcomed in the chat space. Here on the top, you will be able to see various options such as a camera icon, a search icon, and three dots. Here you'll have to tap on the three dots. After tapping on the three dots, you'll be able to see options such as new group, new broadcast, linked devices, and many more. Here you'll have to tap on settings that is located on the very end. After tapping on settings, here the first option you'll be able to see is your profile name and your profile picture. On the second, you'll be able to see account. You'll have to tap on account. After tapping on account, here you'll be able to see security notifications, two-step verifications, and on the third option, you'll be able to see change number. Tap on change number. Here you'll be said that changing your number will migrate your account information, groups, and settings. Tap on next. After that, on the top, you'll have to type your old phone number, and on the below, you'll have to type your new phone number. After you're done typing your old and new phone number, tap on next. After that, here you'll be said that you're about to change your number from your old phone number to your new phone number. Below that, here you'll get an option notify contacts. You can choose to notify your contacts that is on your old phone number that you have changed your number if you prefer. Here I will not be tapping on that and directly going for the next process and tapping on done. Here you'll receive a code on your new phone number that you have to type on here. And after you have changed your phone number and verified your code that you have gotten on your new phone number, here you'll get a small notification which says that your phone number has been successfully changed from your old phone number to your new phone number. Tap on OK and you're all set. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to change phone number on WhatsApp.